Kidsy, colorful cartoon world. Chikki Song, care for nature, and it will sing for you.
Milo woke up to something strange. Chikki's song was
Good
gone.
morning. Sing for me, Chikki. Chikki, wait. Where are you going?
Chikki rushed outside, and Milo followed. The pond wore a rainbow, but it wasn't beauty. It was poison.
Is it hurting you?
Pollution doesn't shout. It hurts quietly. First, the smallest.
Oh no, you are hurt. I will clean this place.
So Milo chose to act.
Stop throwing trash here.
And when the last trash disappeared, Chikki finally smiled again.
Now it is clean. Good morning, Chikki. Now sing a song.
Clean air, clean water, and a song that came back stronger. Care for nature, and it will sing for you.
Watch this. Like, comment, and follow the Kidsy.